Hey guys, my name is Brian, and today, I'll tell you everything you need to know about Septifix, before actually buying the product. I used Septifix for 12 months, and I came here to give you my testimonial about the product. I also have two really important alerts, so pay close attention to what I have to tell you. The first thing you need to know about Septifix is, be careful with the website you're going to buy Septifix from, because Septifix is only sold on the official website. To help you, I left the link to the official website down below in the description of this video. So does Septifix really work? And the answer is yes, Septifix works, and after many laboratory tests, researchers identified that this product will maintain the septic tank due to its essence in managing waste. The Septifix tablet was developed by the proprietor of a plumbing company, Richard V. Richard's company provided installation, pumping, cleaning, maintenance, and repair services for septic tanks. Once Septifix is flushed, it immediately starts releasing oxygen. The waste substances in the tank react with the oxygen and eradicate bad smells in a couple of days. Septifix saves you from plumbing and maintenance costs due to its pH neutralization capabilities, which easily prevent corrosion and wear down. It also minimizes or eradicates the need to pump your septic tank. This prevents your septic tank from backing up and corroding. There's something really important about this product that you need to know before buying it. You can actually test Septifix for 60 days, and if you don't see results, if you don't like it for any reason, they will give you your money back. Also, for Septifix to work, you should flush 3 tablets of Septifix in the toilet bowl. Once the pills reach the septic tank, sodium carbonate and oxygen are emitted as the tablets slowly dissolve.
Hi, my name's Kate, and I just want to share how Septifix fixed my septic tank. So this summer, I noticed that around our septic tank there was a lot of water that didn't smell nice at all. It was hot, so it hasn't rained in a while, and there was just no reason for the water to be there. And also, when I flushed the toilet, I saw bubbles coming up, and since my husband was out of town for 2 weeks because of his job, I panicked, and I immediately called the plumbers. So they came, they pumped the septic tank, but they gave me the bad news that they think that my septic tank was clogged, so they gave me 3 alternatives. Since the first 2 involved digging around the septic tank and destroying my beautiful yard, not to mention the fact that the estimate was over 10 grand for each, I ended up choosing the third option, Septifix, which are these 1-inch tablets that contain live bacteria. They release oxygen, and the plumbers told me that they would dissolve all the clogs. Since I wanted 100% sure that they would actually unclog my septic tank, as soon as I received them, I flushed the whole box of the 6 tablets, and after just 2 days, the smell was gone. And after around 10 more days, I noticed that all the water that was around the septic area was gone. And it's been 4 months since then, and now I only flush one of these tablets down the toilet each month, and that is it. Just a few weeks ago, my husband actually called the plumbers to have them check the septic tank, and they told him that the Septifix right here, it unclogged the system, and there's nothing we should worry about. So I'm really happy that the bacteria from these tabs here helped me solve a potentially very costly problem. So I definitely would recommend these.
So, I wanted to record this video, first to tell you to be careful with the website you are going to buy Septifix from, and also, if you do buy the product, do exactly what the company asks you to do it correctly. I really hope this video helped you, and I also hope that Septifix actually helps you a lot to improve your life, and many other benefits that this product promotes. So I would like to thank you for watching the video until the end. I hope I have helped, and any questions you can leave in the comments that I will answer you. Thanks, and bye.